In this video, you'll know how to quickly add and modify the expiration date in DocuSign so you can keep your documents organized and on schedule with ease. First, head over to the DocuSign website using your preferred browser. Once you're on the home page, click the Login button at the top and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up to get started. After logging in, navigate to the DocuSign Home dashboard. This is where you manage all your documents. From here, click on the Start button to begin preparing a new document or envelope for signing. Once you've selected or uploaded your document, look for the Advanced Options section. Clicking this will open additional settings you can customize. Within these options, find the Expiration section. Here, you can set how long your document will remain available for signing. Whether you choose a few days, a week, or longer, simply adjust the expiration period to match your needs. Don't forget to save your changes before exiting. And that's it. You now know how to add and modify expiration dates in DocuSign, helping you keep your agreements timely and well managed. Be sure to explore more features to make your workflow even more efficient.